Hi, welcome to this week's Java with Jason. I really hope you had a good President's Day yesterday. And speaking of the Commander-in-Chief, today we're going to talk about a really special product to me is the VA financing. Being former military, we're very familiar with VA loans, and it's such a great loan for your clients and for you as a borrower. Number one, with the VA loan, it's 100% financing with no mortgage insurance. You're not going to find another loan out there that matches those terms. There's a small funding fee with VA loans depending on how many times you've used it, but a lot of the times the funding fee can be waived if you have a service-connected disability as small as 10%. To be eligible for a VA loan, you have to be active duty for the last 2 years, or for 2 years of your career, and if you're in the reserves or National Guards, it's 6 years. And the most important thing, I remember when I got out of the military, they were like, do not lose your DD-214. So that is the form that discharges you from the military and allows us to look at your certificate of eligibility. So like I said, it's a great loan. There's a couple small things that as a realtor you'll need to make sure you know. VA appraisals take about 7 to 10 days. For the most part, the VA appraisals are really good. Most of them are coming in value or have a really good idea of the market. And number two, you have to have a termite report. The termite report does two things. It makes sure that the house doesn't have active termites right now. And the number two thing that's very important is to make sure that the house doesn't have conducive conditions. Those are conditions that will allow termites to get into the house in the future, like maybe a tree branch touching the house or soil level too high. I had one last month where the deck in the backyard was actually touching the house. So none of that stuff can be touching the house because it can allow termites to get into the house. But besides that, the VA loans are great, and a lot of the sellers have a big misconception that they're tough to deal with, and that's just not the case. I've actually ran across 3 or 4 clients here recently that didn't even know they were eligible, and once they found out about the product, they were ready to go look at houses and were really happy with the terms. The last thing you need to know about jumbo loans is there's what's called a VA jumbo loan out there. If you're looking at a loan over $417,000, be sure to ask your clients if you're ex-military, because the VA jumbo loan product is excellent. You can go up to $1.5 million loan amount and put a minimal down compared to VA loans. Like we had one that was about $600,000 and we put less than 10% down on a VA loan with no mortgage insurance. It's a great product. So if you have any questions, we're very familiar with them. Give us a shout. We'll be happy to walk you through it and help our veterans out. Have a great day.